1, 2, 3, potato slurp. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, it's Esther.
Today on the program,
Potato slurp. What you gonna do about it? So today we are heading back home from church, and it was really good. It was really fun. We were praying, we were singing lots of stuff, and all my family is really tired, but I won't show you them because I don't want to show you their faces. And I'm just sitting here. I took my shoes off because I like it when I take my shoes off. So I'm gonna put them back on. It's really hard.
Called Opening Heaven's Door.
Okay.
What the dying
I didn't put them on fully. I just put them on
about
right
where they're going.
there.
Trish Pearson is with me in our studio. Hi. Hello.
Good. So we're heading back home. We're gonna head inside now. I'm gonna show you what I do, and I, get back from church. And my mom is really tired. Let's head inside. Okay, oops, I forgot to take my seatbelt off. Alright, let's get out. Whew. Today was a really hard day, guys. We are all tired. So now we're heading inside. Right here, taking our shoes off. We're inside now. Now that we're inside, I am going to show you what I do when I get back from church. First thing that we do, first ever thing that we do is I take my mask off. It's so hard to breathe. And my friend's coming over, so yep. Okay, and I take my jacket off. Sometimes I hang it up here, but should I do it? Should I hang it up there? Yeah. Today I'm gonna hang this up there. There's a dress here. I just like putting a dress here because it's really pretty. Okay, so I'm gonna put this jacket on over here. And sometimes I'm really lazy. I'm like potato couch today. There we go. I put it up there. And I'm gonna show you my outfit. I didn't get to show you what my outfit looks like. So today I'm gonna show for my room. I'm gonna clean that later. Why can't you see perfectly? Okay. This is what my outfit looks like for church. I really like it because it's really comfortable. And I don't really like wearing dresses, so that's why I wear pants under it. Okay. So I'm gonna quickly change, so see you right back.